Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to use Part Design Subtractive Primitive Pocket tool in FreeCAD. You also learn the several ways to invoke this Part Design tool. This is subtractive primitive called Pocket. The Pocket tool cuts solids by extruding a sketch or a face of a solid along a straight path. Means it is used in Part Design workbench to cut out with help of new and closed sketch from existing 3D object. Here you find the several ways to invoke this subtractive tool and the steps to create subtractive primitives. First, create new sketch. Then, press the Pocket button or select the Pocket tool from Part Design menu. After that, you can set the primitive parameters in Pocket Parameters dialog. To define the size of the pocket, first select or define the type of the dimensioning. Here are the definition of dimensioning types. Dimension, enter numeric value for the depth of the pocket. Through all, the pocket will extend up to the last face of the support part. To first, select face, and then the pocket will extend up to the first face of the support part. Up to face, the pocket will extend up to a face. The next parameter is to dimensions. This allows to enter a second length in which the pocket should extend in the opposite direction. The last parameter is up to shape. In this case, the pocket will extend up to the selected shape. Press the Select Face button and select a face or a datum plane from the body. In the following examples, I will show you the different ways to create subtractive primitive pocket. Now, we create a 2D sketch to cut out the supporting or existing part. Put the dimensions. Full constrained. Select the sketch. The two ways to invoke subtractive pocket tool. The first parameter is dimension. The second parameter is through all. Select Symmetry option to cut in both directions. The next parameter is to first. Select Face. Up to Face parameter used to create a hole from selected face up to the next face. Select the face from where the pocket starts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials. With two-dimension parameter, you define the upper and the lower dimension limits of the pocket. The last parameter is up to shape. In this case, the pocket will extend up to the selected shape or up to datum plane. For this purpose, I created additional surface. As you see, the pocket extended up to new surface. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Subtractive Pocket tool in FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.